Takže čau lidi, já vás zdravím u dalšího videa, tentokrát to byly z hry 8, kde mačkáte na uličky a podle toho rozjíždíte tu songu víc a víc. Je úplně jedno, jakou si zvolíte songu, můžete si tam hrát i vlastní a dneska začneme písničkou, kterou teďka můžete slyšet, je to Dragon Daughter, je to z Game of Thrones, tak se bavte.
You came to us as outlaws. You came alone, in chains. All that is in the past. Here, on the wall, we are all one house.
I am the sword in the darkness. I am the watcher on the walls. I shall wear no crowns and win no glory. Now my watch begins. It shall not end until my death. I pledge my life and honor for this night and all the nights to come. Now my watch begins. For this night and all the nights to come. Now my watch begins.
The Night's Watch is the only thing standing between the realm and what lies beyond. Winter is coming.
My queen, about to serve you, obey you. I know what you intend. Do not.
I must. I see the faces of slaves. I free you. Take off your collars. No one will stop you. But if you stay, it will be as brothers and sisters, as husbands and wives. I am the dragon's daughter, and I swear to you that those who would harm you will die screaming. I am the dragon's daughter. You shall have a golden crown, men shall tremble to behold. And I swear to you, I am the dragon's daughter.
When winter does come, God's help us all if we're not ready.
Our best hope, our only hope, is that you can defeat them in the field. If you lose, your sisters die, your father dies. Our best hope, our only hope, is that you can defeat them in the field.
When you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die. There is no middle ground.
There is only one God, and his name is death.
And there is only one thing we say to death. Not today.
You help me win the Iron Throne.
We were meant to rule together.
But now winter is coming. We must protect ourselves.
Don't ask me to stand aside as you climb on that pyre. I will watch you burn.
You don't understand. I am the dragon's daughter, and I swear to you that those who would harm you will die screaming. I am the dragon's daughter. You shall have a golden crown, men shall tremble to behold. And I swear to you, I am the dragon's daughter.
Takže tady vidíte, že tam mluvte je mého papuška, Kennyho. Moc to nevšimejte, no, takže vidíte, že jsem to dal na Cčko, fakt, to je poprvé, co jsem to dal, je to hodně velký pokus to dát a děkuji vám za sledování, děkuji vám za všechny lajky, popisky, komentáře, protože subscribe, moc neděkuji za ty znaky, ale váš názor. No, takže pro příště si můžete vybrat z I love to change the world, My love od Kuba Oms, Flag Clipu a tak. Takže já se s vámi loučím a u dalšího videa čus!